The answer is no. You don't know if they are serious buyer or not. What if you have your own pet? They don't like others visiting their habitable place. Sellers have suffered a monetary loss. Yes, you heard it right. Monetary losses. Chargers, phones, iPads, loose jewelry, important books have gone missing. Why? Let me explain you and give you 4 tips. Friends, once you are in a real estate transaction, the most powerful word you need to know is no. N-O. This is such a powerful word, and it will help you from becoming a victim of the scammers or cheap clients. I'm Sonal Shah. I'm an active agent in Houston suburban areas, and I would like to share my experiences from the past where sellers have suffered a monetary loss. Yes, you heard it right. Monetary losses. Chargers, phones, iPads, loose jewelry, loose gadgets, important books have gone missing. Why? Let me explain you and give you 4 tips. Diving into 4 essentials knows every homeowner must remember. First, unannounced buyer on your door. Can buyer just come to your home and look at the house without their realtors, without making an appointment? The answer is no. You don't know if they are serious buyer or not, and if they are represented or not, or they're just scammers. You don't want to let anyone into your property unless they are accompanied by a licensed realtor or they are someone who you know. This step will save you big money and your laptops, your watches, your personal valuables in headache. Second thing, garage access. Buyer will say, okay, I want to come and check the garage dimensions and make sure my truck will fit. Well, you should have checked that before you wrote your offer, right? And now, if you allow them and something happened to their truck or your personal property, dings, garage door mishaps, tons of things I've heard by now, please say no. Electric measure tapes are available everywhere, or they're welcome to come and take the dimension with their licensed realtor, and then they can go. Please make sure they do not bring that big truck and try to push it in your garage before they have closed. Tip 3, pets at showings. No. I know we all love pets. I love my pet to my life and more. But requests like that, you don't know if that pet can have an accident, right? Number 2, what if you have your own pet? They don't like others visiting their habitable place, and that could be a chaos. There could be a poop, peep, all that which you don't want to mop and clean, and you do not want a headache. Please say no. I know by saying no, you are not hating your pets. Closing repairs. I want to bring in a contractor and they want to check the dimension because we are going to cut out all the cabinets or blah, blah, blah. I want to do this in the game room or a media room or in the patio door. Well, they can do everything after they close. So what is your answer? No. If anything happens to those contractors, firstly, if they damage your personal property, now you'll have to fix it for the buyer. Second, this mishap has really happened. A contractor, while taking a measurement, had a bad fall and wanted to sue the sellers for their $1 million insurance. Of course, it did not go through, but do you want that headache? Do you want that kind of litigations? So please listen. There is one thing I want you to understand is saying no is not rude. You can say it very courteously, politely, and do not give them excuse that, oh, that day we are out. No, because then they will ask for another appointment. Do not say that this thing could happen and do you want to write a waiver? No, you just don't want to entertain that. So please, one takeaway from an experienced agent to all of you, learn to say no when you don't feel right in your gut. Do not be innocent These are all written agreement, and you have to show your performance. When you write a contract to sell, you must sell it. And anything which has been damaged during the journey of contract to the closing, who is responsible? Only sellers. I will give you one last bonus tip. I had a buyer's agent call us and said they have to vacate their original apartment, which was ending, and instead of putting all the luggage in the storage room, can they put it in the seller's garage? Seller's not thinking twice about it. Maybe they didn't even consult me, as long as I remember, because my theory is always say no, which is not supposed to happen before the last line, dotted line is signed and the property has been conveyed. Guess what happened? The personal property was stolen out of their garage because someone saw on the street they were putting a lot of luggage and furniture and valuables. Now, my seller's house got broken into because of that. But who bore all the expenses? My seller. All he had to say was, no, I know it is just not workable with us. That's all. Be very polite, be very sensitive to their request, but say no, and say firmly no, so they don't come back to you. Guys, I'll see you next week. Hope this video has helped you.